Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Navid and this is Happy Pigs. Well, first of all, thanks for watching this. In this video, I'm going to introduce one of our most beautiful and elegant styles of ours, inspired by very unforgettable decades of 80s, which has always inspired designers. This template will help you to transform your text to this style. Get this, without any special knowledge in Photoshop. Well, you'll know. Okay, if you want to download this, go to hyperpix.net and get a premium account and get this text effect and hundreds of other text effects that will help you with your next projects. If you want to download our freebies, all you gotta do is go to hyperpix.net/freebies and use it in your project and personal project and commercial project. Right click on the yellow layer to edit the main text. Okay, in a new window, do the same thing and select edit content. In the new window, we got two text layers. Each of them are separately editable. So in the first text, I'm going to write my own text here. Double click and write your own text. No brainer. Okay. If you like to modify the pattern, go to pattern overlay. Double click on that place and go to pattern overlay and move it around. Just left click and drag it wherever you want. I just recommend you leave it to on its default. Because our style looks the best just the way it is. But if you want to drag it up and down and right and left, okay, you can also position it to wherever you want. You can change the font in any language, no limit. I'm going to close it and I'm going to select yes. In the new window, I'm going to close it and I will select yes and I'll wait for the result. There is our result. As you can see, easy peasy and actually no brainer. Okay, let's text the rest of the design and I'm going to show you layer by layer to show how it works. Okay. Before anything else, let's go to effects and turn off extrusion and shadow so that we can have a better speed in designing and editing this. Okay, we'll get back to that, don't worry. First folder is adjustments, which controls the contrast, coloring and brightness of our design. From each variable you can change the coloring of your design. All you gotta do is to change the variables until you get your favorite result. It's totally up to you. Okay. We got a vignette folder, which as you can see there's an inner shadow around our artwork. You can control that. You can change the opacity, you can turn it off or on. Also change the color. Okay, next folder is a noise. We got a nostalgic noise, so we can get a retro vibe. So we got a noise on our design. If you want to remove it, turn noise on off and turn on noise off. Because one of these two has to be open. For example, if you turn it both off, it's not gonna look good, neither if you turn them both on. Okay, next one is the sparkles. Now we got a variety of sparkles all over our design so we can get a shiny look. You can put them on your edges, on the edges of your texts and on the highlights, but keep that in mind, just put it on your highlights, not on your shadows, because it might not gonna look good. Okay, if you don't like it, just disable it. You can also press Alt and drag it and make a copy of it. Next one, we got another text here. You can also change it from here. 1986. Okay. If you think it's a little bit like needs to bigger, you gotta do is to resize it. You can also change the font of it. There it is. Totally up to me. I can change the font. I can change the size. I can position it wherever I want. Okay. Next text is here. You can disable it or write your own text. Double click on it and write your own text. Okay, in your design studio. Okay, next folder is effects, which contains the technical part and structure of our design. We're just gonna skip this part. I just recommend you leave it be. Next one is triangle. We got a triangle behind our design. You can resize it, you can change it, rotate it however you want. It's totally adjustable. We got a background folder which contains 3 folders. First is lines. Use Ctrl U and change the color, or Command U in Mac. Piece of cake, huh? Next one, we got a backlight behind our design, as you can see here. We got also a variety of stars in our design. We also got the background color, which is the main color of our background. Very easy. Just pick your color. Okay, that's it. Let's get back to extrusion and shadow. Let's wait for the 3D. There it is. There it is. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to download this template, all you gotta do is go to hyperpix.net and get a premium account and actually hundreds of other text effects. Please subscribe to our channel and don't miss our next videos. Thanks for watching this. I'm Navid, this is Hyperpix.